Yes, sir, man.
What's up, folk? Hey, this your boy, Robiluk. We here out on the Potomac fishing the Angler Choice Bass Tournament on the Potomac River. I got my man Chris Johnson. Big Chris, y'all might know him from his MySpace, holding it down. Today, we got the 4 o'clock weigh-in. Hopefully, we'll get some lunkers and get a check. So y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. Alright? Robiluk Fishing Show. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Robiluk. I told y'all we're going to pound them. We got 3 hours to go, 3.5 to be exact for weigh-in. We got 2 fish. We caught about 6 or 7. Everything was short except the 2 we got. We'll show you at weigh-in what we're dealing with. You know, we banging them on, believe it or not, Cinco and Robo worm. The Robo worm is killing them. As you can see, we got vegetation. Everybody's fishing from the outside. We had about 30 boats here, and we're just killing them. So hopefully we can get a check today. Y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. Chris, what you want to say, buddy?
It is what it is, baby.
I know that's right. We'll be right back, y'all. There we go. Potomac bass.
It is nice, sir.
Nice April bass.
Chunky, man.
Going on, y'all? This the Robiluk Fishing Show. Here we in the Potomac. I told y'all we got some fat chunky. As you can see, it's about a 4-pounder. Chunky, my man Riley caught it off a spinnerbait.
That's what's up.
I just want y'all to see that you can catch fish from the shore. You know what I mean? But check it out. We'll be back after these messages. Our sponsors. See you later.
All you gotta do,
Potomac bass, y'all. Potomac bass.
keep your head up.
There you go. Man Ken, weighing them out. What's that, about a 4-pound?
You got about 3 on him.
Let's see, 3?
Kinda skinny.
Turn them sideways. Hey, this your boy Robiluk from the Robiluk Fishing Show. Today we out here on the Potomac just to show y'all example of you can catch some big fish out here. I got my main man Kenny from right here. You know, he's been fishing here for what, 7 years, right? And he can show. I told you.